Hello friends, today my video is about LaneWatch camera error and how I could resolve it by myself without visiting the service center. I explain the procedure in full detail, and also this is a lesson for myself as well as it's useful for you if ever you have come across any such situations. So guys, please watch the video and also do subscribe to my channel and do like and share. If you have any queries, do put it in comment section. I do respond to everyone as always. Thank you. Yeah, hello friends, good morning. This is Srini and this is an urgent video I had to make because I'm forced to do this video. The day before yesterday I've shared you regarding the secret menu, and also I mentioned please don't do any changes to these settings, but yet though I actually instructed you people not to do any settings, but I myself did and tried to face some issues. My LaneWatch camera is not working. The camera hardware is good, the camera is perfectly fine, but the display is not working. The camera is not working. I'll show you the error, and to rectify it, to solve this, I'm trying to do some stuff. Actually, I have read from Honda manual as well, not our manual. In fact, I tried through Honda website, international website, and I got a manual, and also I checked a few YouTube videos to solve this issue. And before that, I'm going to show you what is the problem here. Okay, in fact, I reset the system completely. I'm not able to solve this, so I'm going to show you what's the error. See, right now indicator is off. I have turned on the indicator. Okay, this is the issue. Aiming failed. So aiming has to be calibrated again, then only it works. And even if I press this button, the error remains same. So I'm trying to solve this by myself. Hopefully it works. If not, I have to go to Honda service center guys, but Honda service center guys are completely, I don't know, they are insane, or to the person whom I have called, actually he's unaware of this subject. He's saying that sir, have you met with an accident, or else is your car under insurance? We have to completely reorder the infotainment system. Come on, it's like that person is not aware of these all things. So anyhow, if it works by me, if it gets solved by myself, then I'll definitely share how I did, as well as if not, I have to go to the service center and let's see. So keep watching guys. I'm going to try to solve this. Keep watching. Fine, now I tried to park my car without any obstructions. So let's check this time if it works. Okay, you can see that aiming sheet. Now let's hope. First it checks whether ignition is off or on. No man, not happening. Wow, it's working, man. I have actually reset this. LaneWatch shaving, it's okay. Super. See, I'll show you once again. It was showing error, and lastly I parked this time very close to my car, the sheet, and it's really working awesome. Okay, I'll go show you once again. Okay, I'll push the switch. Here is the push the switch. First it checks for ignition on or off. If it is blue, then it's fine. Super. It's still aiming. Really super, man. Connection value, everything is good. Now I'm able to reset this. So I'll go back to home. Now I'll press the indicator. Let me see. Super, it's working perfectly fine. And if I press the main switch, yeah, it's really working good, man. Fine. I'm really happy. See, I saved money because the Honda guys, actually this doesn't come under insurance, and because it's a software issue, and also my vehicle is around 2.5 years. Thankfully, I could be able to do it myself, and thanks to my watchman who provided me with a ladder. And before that, I'll show you what actually I did. See, there is a aiming sheet. I'll get back to you. Just a second. I'll show you how I did. So actually there I was able to I was parking there, but there was too many obstructions, so camera was unable to find. And also now you can see, I'll show you. You can see actually how near I have placed the ladder, and this the aiming sheet. So I put up near to the rear door handle. Okay, let me zoom out, and very nearer to this place, and height also you can see equivalent to the glass. I mean a little bit height, but thankfully this worked. Everything is settled. Yeah, you can see here. Wait a minute, there. And if you see my face, hopefully guys, can you hear me? Can you see me? Can you see me? So I could do it very easily without going to the service center. And yeah, very nice, man, very nice, very nice. So this is a lesson for me, because I did some sorry okay, this is me because I did some settings, I mean changes in that settings. Actually I didn't need to do that aiming start, but you know, it's something like, you know, I pressed on that and aiming failed. So now it's really working fine. So guys, if you have any queries regarding this, or also if you have any issues, if you have ever faced issue on this subject, you can watch my video. Please do subscribe to my channel, and also like and share. Put it in comment section. And before that, I just want to repeat, don't go into this don't go into the secret menu or hidden menu. Okay, so by doing that, anything can happen. But anyhow, I'll show you once again. Yeah, here LaneWatch aiming. Don't press this aiming start. Okay, fine. Right now actually it's placed perfectly, so I can do that. But if you are without this thing, see, it's a A4 sheet. I have actually printed on a A4 sheet. That is the aiming sheet which is provided, which is available. Not available actually, I printed on the website. I mean I printed on the A4 paper in my printer. So everything is fine, man. Really happy. Wi-Fi. Okay, I don't want to do any settings here. So I'll get back to my back. So friends, anyhow, I am successful in doing it myself, and really good. And also thankful to the YouTube videos. I have checked one, two YouTube videos, and I could understand, and successfully my left camera is working fine. No, camera didn't go, I mean camera was not any damaged or so, but it's only something like aiming issue has been gone. So I need to recalibrate that. So it's really successful. And also I'll show you what did I use. I used this one. See, this is the aiming sheet. If ever you too have faced problem, remember this just a A4 sheet, and I printed on this, and I placed a ladder instead of I don't have any tripod or a stand kind, and this really worked. And by checking my video, you might have understood how close I kept this. So fine guys, if you are if you are going into the hidden menu and you did any LaneWatch setting like analyzing again, I mean if you are analyzing the aiming, if you are going for re-aiming, then remember, if there is no this kind of thing, it will say it is failed and your left camera won't be working. So for this, please follow my video. Also I request you to do subscribe, guys. See, I'm giving you some technical knowledge. It's not that I'm promoting any videos. So this is useful for many of us. I don't know about other cars like Honda, Hyundai, or else Kia might be having the same kind of solving the issue. So hopefully you like my video, and please like and subscribe. Thank you. Oh, I need to close this. Thank you.